In a vibrant coastal community like Miami Beach, homeowners are always looking for ways to enhance comfort, improve energy efficiency, and protect their homes from the elements. One upgrade that continues to deliver outstanding long-term value is installing energy-efficient double-hung windows. Designed with both performance and beauty in mind, these windows offer a combination of durability, ventilation, and insulation that is especially important in Miami Beach's warm, humid, and hurricane-prone climate. If you're considering window replacement, here's why energy-efficient double-hung windows are a smart long-term investment for Miami Beach homeowners. Superior energy performance that reduces cooling costs. With Miami Beach's intense sunshine and high humidity, air conditioning runs almost year-round. Older or poorly insulated windows allow heat to enter your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up energy bills. Energy-efficient double-hung windows are built to combat heat transfer with low emissivity coatings that reflect UV and infrared rays, double or triple pane glass filled with argon for better insulation, weather-resistant seals that prevent warm air infiltration, insulated frames that stabilize indoor temperatures. These features significantly reduce cooling costs while keeping your home comfortable even during Miami Beach's hottest months. Versatile ventilation for better indoor air quality. One of the greatest benefits of double-hung windows is their flexible airflow control. With two operable sashes, both the top and bottom can open. You can customize ventilation to fit your needs. This offers major advantages. Allow warm air to escape through the top sash, let cool breezes enter through the bottom, improve indoor air quality by reducing humidity, create cross ventilation when paired with other windows in a coastal environment where indoor humidity can rise quickly. This ventilation flexibility helps maintain comfort and reduces the risk of mildew and moisture buildup. Long-term durability. In a coastal climate, Miami Beach's coastal environment exposes homes to salt air, strong UV rays, torrential rain, and high winds. Energy-efficient double-hung windows, especially those made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad materials, are manufactured to withstand harsh conditions. Coastal durability benefits include frames that resist warping, swelling, or rotting, corrosion-resistant hardware, UV-resistant finishes, high structural strength to handle strong winds. Choosing windows designed for coastal durability ensures they maintain their performance and beauty for decades, providing lasting value. Enhanced hurricane and storm protection. For added safety and peace of mind, many Miami Beach homeowners choose impact-rated double-hung windows. These windows feature laminated glass that withstands flying debris during storms, offering superior protection. Benefits of impact-rated double-hung windows: increased storm resilience, better security against forced entry, noise reduction, lower insurance premiums. In many cases, this combination of safety and efficiency makes impact windows an excellent long-term investment. Low maintenance with easy cleaning features. Double-hung windows are among the easiest window styles to clean, thanks to their tilt-in sashes. This means you can clean both interior and exterior panes from inside your home, a major advantage for multi-story properties. Additional low-maintenance features: durable frame materials, minimal painting or sealing needed, advanced locking systems that resist corrosion. This ease of care helps preserve window efficiency and appearance for years. Increased home value and buyer appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades consistently rank high in return on investment, and double-hung windows are no exception. Homebuyers in Miami Beach look for modern, efficient, and storm-ready features. Value-boosting benefits include enhanced curb appeal, higher energy rating for the home, reduced long-term maintenance, better overall home performance. New energy-efficient windows help your home stand out in a competitive coastal market. Final thoughts: energy-efficient double-hung windows offer lasting benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. They deliver improved energy performance, better ventilation, stronger coastal durability, and increased home value, making them one of the smartest investments for Miami Beach homeowners. With proper installation and materials designed for coastal living, these windows will keep your home comfortable, secure, and efficient for decades.